when I was inspector, we only had 3 rows. All right.
Ganda ng bahay ko.
Nice.
Bedrooms are upstairs.
Nakita ko mayroong pintuan sa kabila sa dito.
Iba rin.
Maganda.
Pero pag titingnan mo, parang isang ano lang sila.
Parang isang bahay lang, no?
Oh, sabi namin, magdala pa ba tayo ng mga kitchen, ano?
Once retired, Marcus decided, I will never again work for another man or woman. I abandoned my corporate phone plan, and I'll get a new plan with consumers selling for up to half the cost. Let's go, birds. When freedom calls, we're here to answer.
Dito.
So this one is open.
But this is one is the other room.
Yeah, you can have this one too if you want. This has a bathtub, I believe.
Everybody, all of them have bathrooms.
But they all have showers or bathtubs or what?
So,
This one they had available when we all our points.
Diyan daw kayo sa... May balcony doon. Pero dito daw kayo. Para makikita na kayo.
Oh, there's another floor.
Ano yan, balcony? Pwede tayong lumabas. Pero malamig.
Oh.
ganda. Bawal dito mga 1 linggo. Ganda, oh.
Oh, connecting.
Huh?
There's a connecting door.
Well, there. Oh shoot. Well, there is another. You want this one here?
Oh, look at it.